Welcome students. In our last video we have seen different part of function like parameters, argument, return statement, type of arguments. So in this video we are going to discuss about recursive function in Python. So what is recursive function? Recursion means iteration. A function is called recursive if the body of function call the function itself. That means function will call itself until the condition of recursion is true. Thus, a Python recursive function has a termination condition. Sometimes we require a function that can call itself. That means again and again we have to call the function. So that time we can use recursive function. So just look the example. In this example, suppose you want to calculate factorial of any number. So that time how you will write? Suppose the factorial of 3. So what is the formula to retrieve factorial of 3? 3 into factorial of 2. Then it will repeat the condition. That means 3 into 2 into factorial of 1. So in other term we can say that it will 3 into 2 into 1. That means we have to repeat the factorial condition again and again until and unless we will not get 1. So how we will write this condition in the program? So in this program, just look the example. In this program, that is def fact, in parameter we have taken n. If n equals to 1, then return 1. This is the termination condition. Else return n into again fact n minus 1. That means again function is calling itself from the return statement, and at the end we will get the answer that the output is 6. Okay, so just understand the program with this example. Just look in this recursion 1 here n equals to 3. So def fact, in parameter we have taken 3. If 3 equals to 1, then it will return 1. So according to the first iteration, 3 equal to 3, that means that is not 1. So it will come to the else condition. Else n in 3 into fact 2, because n minus 1. So you can see the program here, n minus 1 we have written here, n minus 1. So now again return 3 into fact with 2. That means again we are calling the program. So control will go to the recursion 2. In the recursion 2, fact in parameter it will take 2. If 2 equals to 1, no, then again else 2 into fact 1, because n minus 1. Again it will go to the third recursion. In the third recursion you can see that fact 1, if 1 equals to 1, yes, now it's 1, and then it will return the program. That means it will not go to the else part. That is the end of the recursion. So in this example we can understand this program easily. At the end you can get the 6. So with the help of this recursive function we can easily retrieve the factorial number. So sometime we want this type of function. Is there any limit on the number of recursion for Python? Yes, unless we explicitly set the maximum limit of recursion, the program by default will throw an error after 1000 recursions. Okay. Now, so advantage of Python recursion, why to use? Reduce unnecessary calling of function, thus reduce length of program. Very flexible in data structure like a stack queue, linked list and quick sort. Okay, so these are the things that you will learn later. But recursion is important. I think all of you have understood this. So this is the end of the part.